Hello children, good morning to you. Now I am going to start new lesson from your social studies. That lesson name is recording and communicating knowledge. Okay. In our previous lesson also we discussed about the communication. Okay. In this lesson that recording and communicating knowledge, how that knowledges are communicating from one generation to another generation, or from many years ago to nowadays, how we are getting knowledges. Okay, that about these all matters now we are going to discuss in this lesson. So previously in that communication lesson also we discussed about that earlier days, many years ago, peoples are not having and many different modes of communication. What we discussed, no, there is no method, no other methods they used, only they are using that communication method as a speaking together or talking together. Okay, so that only they used, but in many years ago also there is lot of knowledge that peoples are having, alva. But by using that only oral communication, there is no matter of recording the knowledges. So they started to use that writing skill or writing method of the communication. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಓಲ್ಡನ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಲೆಜಸ್ that people commonly, that people also having and many different knowledges, ideas about the many different matters, but what they are communicating by talking, there is no matter of keeping that knowledge as a record, alva. So later they started to use that writing way of communication, started to introduce the writing way of communication by the help of this script. By the help of this writing methods, it helps to store the knowledge and provide to the other generation people. Okay, that by this way only, by introduce the this writing written skill of the languages, now we people can get the many valuable books. Okay, many different valuable and also precious books now we people are reading, no, and that also many years ago written by the ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಹಿಂದೆ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ದಿರೋಂಥ ಬುಕ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇವಾಗ ಕೂಡ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಬೈ ದಟ್ ಓಲ್ಡನ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಬೈ ದ introduction of that written copy of the languages. Okay, so this is one of the method of recording languages or knowledge to give the other people or to provide the knowledge to other people or other generation people like that. Okay, so otherwise if they are not introduced and writing skill of the languages or a knowledge, what will happen means that many valuable ideas and knowledge will lost there only with them only, alva. Take an example, very good example is folk songs, alva. ಫೋಕ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ, ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಲೇಜಸ್ ದಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾಲೆಜಸ್ or what they are thinking, they are expressing as a sing or as a ಸಾಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನು ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದನ್ನು ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಸಾಂಗ್ ಒಂದು ವೇಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ದಟ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ ಫೋಕ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ if there is written skill is not introduced, means that folk songs will lose with them only. We can't get that folk songs again, alva. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನಾಯಿತು, this written or writing skill is helping to provide knowledge to the other people. Take an example in one village, okay, that people are having an idea about some very important matter. Only that people are discussing together by using and speaking skill, means is that possible to keep that knowledge as a record? No, ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಆ ಒಂದು ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅದರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ದೇ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ರೀಶಿಯಸ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ, ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಏರಿಯಾ, ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ after the introduction of this writing skill, these all are possible, means knowledge from any corner of the village or a place, we can get the knowledge by using that writing records. Okay, so yes, next one is written communication. Next topic is written communication. So written communication means how we people are having now textbook, how we people are using an alphabets to make a sentences or a words, and they are not used previously ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವೋ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರ ಓಲ್ಡನ್ ಡೇಸ್? ನೋ, only they are using some pictures, some signs or a symbols to make a script. Script means nothing, written copy of the languages. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಲ್ವಾ ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಕಾಪಿಲಿ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ especially in which time this script, written script was introduced means in the time of that Sumerians of Mesopotamia. Okay, Mesopotamia means that is one of the civilization. Okay, Mesopotamia, that is now Iraq. That is in Iraq. That in the time of that civilization, first they had developed the system of writing. Okay, who has developed the system of writing first means that is in the time of Sumerians, especially of the Mesopotamia civilization. In the time of Mesopotamia civilization. Okay, so previously they used that script I told to you. Okay, but which type of script? Is they used alphabets or is they used what signs or symbols, pictures? What type of script they had written? That is very important. In that time, in the time of Sumerians, they used signs to make the script, signs to write the script. Okay, there is no picture, only sign they are used. Okay, that is also over 5,000 years ago, introduced by the Sumerians. So how they are making script? Now we are writing on the papers, alva. But in the time of that 5,000 years ago, they are writing or they are making script on the clay blocks. They have given picture in page number 78. Okay, refer that Sumerian system of writing. They have given the picture of that clay block. Okay, they are written on the clay block, that signs they use, that is called as tablets. That clay blocks are called as tablets. When it is called as tablets, in which civilization time it was introduced means in the time of Sumerians. Yes. Next, about that Egyptian civilization, they has developed script by using pictures and symbols. Previously Sumerian developed a script by using signs. After Sumerians, that Egyptians has developed the script by using an pictures and symbols. That is another one of the developing process of the script or a writing knowledges. Yes. Next, nearly this is also about 5,000 years ago. Next, about that Chinese and Japanese, they also developed the script by using that that scripts are based on that pictures and symbols. How that Egyptian has developed? No, these Chinese and Japanese script also like same. Okay, same as the Egyptians. Okay, nowadays also what we are having that Chinese languages or Chinese script, that is nowadays also based on the symbols and pictures. Okay, so this is about the written communication. And also after many years ago or many years later, they started to use the alphabet systems. Okay, previously that is fixed for the sign, symbol and pictures. Okay, that is also on the clay blocks. Sometimes they are carving on the rocks. These all are the now what recording system means script. Okay, when that later they introduced that languages by using written skills by using the alphabets. Okay, means there is not as a symbols. Okay, that is representing something means by using how nowadays we are using an English. Okay, English means that is one of the alphabet system we are having. So in this English it is having an 26 alphabets. No, like that alphabet system was introduced. So in the About 50 different alphabet systems are used in the world today. Okay, how many alphabet systems are using nowadays means all over the world means nearly 50 alphabet systems. 50 different alphabet systems using all over the world today. So Roman alphabet system, that is one of the system. What I told about English, that is comes under the Roman alphabet system, means we are having an 26 letters, 26 alphabets alva. So that English was comes under the Roman alphabet system. So next about that what means about that Devanagari script and also Brahmi script we are discussing alva. Devanagari, when we are discussing about Devanagari script means first we are thinking about the Hindi. Hindi and Sanskrit. So that languages comes under the script of Devanagari. What we are discussing about that Brahmi script. Okay, some other, some many different Indian languages are comes under the Brahmi script and also the Devanagari script. Okay, so these all are the information about that scripts means written communication. So read this lesson up to written communication. Now I will stop here. Let us continue about that writing numbers in our next class. But while you are reading this lesson, refer that to page number 78. Okay, so they have given that many different script there earlier olden days script. They have given Chinese system of writing and in the script and also Brahmi script. What I told on that clay blocks, they written on like a signs in the time of Sumerians. No, that also given in your textbook. Refer that all pictures to know about the variety of script. Okay, thank you.